Along with scaffolding rent, services related to this activity can also be provided to clients. In order for the program to be able to account for the services provided, functionality has been created for this purpose, which is integrated with scaffolding rent in areas of invoices rows, invoices, and incomes report formation. The list of services in the program is not limited. Therefore, in order for incomes report to provide summarized data on certain services groups in one column of the incomes report, services grouping is used. Thus, before including services provided in the program, services groups are first included, so that when adding a new service, this service can be assigned to a group. Assigning a service to a group is not mandatory, but if the service is not assigned to a group, the data of such service will be provided in the incomes report only in a separate column. The list of services group is provided through the Services Categories section of the Administration drop-down menu on the left side. When this page opens, we see a list of already included services groups on the right side, and on the left side we can enter the name of the new group and add it to the mentioned list. We add a new group. If there is a need to edit the name of the service group, we press the small orange button in the Actions column of the corresponding group row in the Services Group List table and open the Service Group Editing page, where we can edit the name of the service group and update the data. The list of services is presented through the Services section of the Administration drop-down menu on the left side. When this page opens, we see a table with a list of already included services and above it a search field, filtering, and adding a new service buttons. The search and filtering functions are needed when the list of services increases. By pressing the Add a New Service button, the page for adding a new service to the list of services opens. When adding a new service, it is checked whether the combination of the service name and the units has not been previously added to the list of services. If such a combination has already been added, the program stops adding the new service and displays a corresponding message. The name of the service may be repeated in the list of services when it is used with a different units of measure. It is necessary to enter data in the name and units fields, because if we leave them empty and click Add a New Service button, the program will stop adding a new service and display a corresponding message. The data in other fields can be left unchanged or left empty. If the service is used frequently and its quantity and unit price rarely change, we can enter data in the initial quantity and recommended unit price fields. then this data will not need be entered when performing the Services Provision Act. We enter the appropriate data and click the Add a New Service button. The service has been successfully added and it has appeared in the list of services. If there is a need to edit the service data by clicking the small orange button in the Actions column or the corresponding service row in the Services List table and opening the Service Data Editing page, we can perform this action and update data. Service data can be viewed by pressing the small blue button in the Actions column or the corresponding service row in the Services List table and opening the Service Data Viewing page. The Return to the List of Services navigation button is available on the Add New Service, Edit Service, and View Service pages.